Hello, na good afternoon, my people. Na good afternoon. Good afternoon. I beg. I just very short video, I beg. I dey very nervous. Where? I dey very nervous. I'm fed up. I don't have anything to say anyway, because when I say something, people will say they don't see come up with their prank again. So Mama Monica have talked to me. May I exercise little patience. Enough is enough. So I know I don't get anything to say for now because of the respect I have for some people. Make I fair reserve things, make I not rush because of the people they beg me since morning. Because I don't know where I for start. When I say anything, people will say it's prank. People will say it's prank because of the stupid prank that happened before. Let me not say anything for now anyway. What I want to talk is that people when you buy, I beg, people when you buy meat, the person go come tomorrow. I don't remember una for WhatsApp again because my head full. My head carry load. I don't remember una for WhatsApp again. People when you buy meat, I beg wanna send me voice note. May I send una the location? Cause the woman say na tomorrow the person they come. If you not see get head tomorrow, you go still let me know. But now tomorrow she send me voice note. Cause I did very nervous, as I said. I don't remember anybody again when you order meat. I don't remember any of una again. Cause if I carry the man, I not go able to see fridge put. I not get that kind of big freezer. I beg, make una try. Wanna send me voice notes. People when you order meat. Wanna straight send me voice note. The way they talk, wanna go see the anger for my body. Say anger dey my body. Where? Anger dey my body. Where? Anger dey my body. Where? I use the verse. I dey vex. I say make I open my mouth talk. I no want to say anything because of Monica, because of mommy Monica and other people when I see they look up to. I beg, now the meat. Oh, why not they call me again now? I beg, now the meat. I say may I quit talk. Say people when you buy meat. I don't remember any of una again. Mona try, mona contact me. Well, the mommy when there send. The mommy when there the social place. I beg. Make una try contact me. People when buy meat. Make una try contact me. That's why good afternoon. Nothing did the afternoon. Good afternoon. If man not respect himself, if they feel say they will love the woman, they will carry and enter my sister. If the man not respect himself, enough is enough. If the person not respect himself, he say we will carry and enter media, we will carry and enter media. And I get a lot of truth when I take fight you. I get a lot of truth when I take fight you. People will bear my weakness. People that will bear my weakness. I have a lot of truth that I will use it to fight against you. Now sumo I don't tell Monica yours now. They shout. Monica Guaban, he used two hand hold head, they shout. So better respect yourself. Don't let me to talk. Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Things many. Why waiting make me never agree? Say go put money for my head. I not be woman. I not be woman. One of those things they flick at all. I not be woman. One of those things they flick. I have to even if I don't burn, I have to wash. Even if I don't burn, I have to wash. If bad thing happen, also that better not going down. You are free. Me, I'm not free because you don't put money for my head. So I don't talk to Monica just now and with other people. They feel my pain. They feel my pain. No woman can take it. No woman can take it. No woman. No woman can take it. No woman can take it. When you talk, when people did not know anything about to know your story, they will say the woman is a bad woman. But when I open my mouth and talk, nobody will. What? If tomorrow I talk to Monica just now, she cannot even bear it. Monica was even telling me that if the one are sheep here, I give you the privilege does not mean I'm sheep. I give you the privilege does not mean I'm sheep. When someone thought, they will say it's prank. It's prank. Monica is my weakness. Monica say, I just say na prank una dey. They do not call him. They do not call him. Yeah, just tell a prank he was here. I call him Monica. Tell a prank he was here. Kwa bumbo unwa me arua ibege. Wana na eginye. Avio. Yeah? Who be that? Who be that? Eh? Walk by Noah. Now let you one. If not be you, I know open door. I know now. Now let you. But I don't need problem, bro. So if not be only you, I know open door. I know open door. come here for now. Police say me no come here for now. You want put me for trouble? You want put me for trouble? Police say me no enter house for now. Go outside, I beg. You no go fit change. I wish you take her, the matter go reach like this. It go reach like this. Nonsense. Mama, sorry. Sorry, Mama. I'm here for you, okay? I'm here for you. What nonsense. Mama, get inside. You have left. Get inside, okay? Mommy, go inside. You have left. You have left. You have left. Maybe you think I can't throw you guys alone. I will do it alone. I wish my papa come die. No, take care of you now. If I get belle, say when some women go get belle, their husband will die. But you know, the woman no will take care of them. She will not say you get public, no hide yourself. You no hide yourself. This quarrel they come small. If you tell her say move they go. If woman they hot, you leave her for some minutes. You go outside, go stroll. The same thing they want to tell her. If woman they hot, you come up for us for her. And not girl say no. And not girl say no. I come on because somebody can say he tell we pranking no. He that will not go make gonna hear judge. You say me the thief come up for live video now. No problem. No problem. Mommy's boy. Grown up man. Mama, your mama just spoil you anyhow. I wait till your mother till they do something. Family boy for that matter. Nonsense. Mommy, leave there. Mommy, leave there now. Mommy, calm down, okay? Calm down, okay? Mama, sleep, okay? Okay. Mommy, leave there, okay? Mommy, 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 mama, mama, come down for that place now, okay? Okay? When you're done, when they are sleeping, we'll quickly go to supermarket before they wake up from sleep, okay? Okay? Come down for there, okay? Please, this is not prank, okay? This is not prank. This is not prank, okay? This is not prank. I'm tired. This is not prank. This is not prank, okay? This is not prank. Rather be alone. Rather be alone than be with man that will kill me up before my time. Who will take care of the children for me? I'm not there. I dey alive. No, they take care of them. Now, if I can't die, you can't take care of them. Who will take care of my children for me? So, for me to die, for you to kill me, you better give me chance. Better give me chance. Man go curse me because of you. Woman will curse me because of you. Still, if you enter me, the people go laugh me. Me, I will fight you with the truth. When Perry you happen, this is not prank now. Later they later believe it's not prank. So you will see. I will fight you with truth. I have a lot of evidence. Mama. Mama. Mama, don't put it in your mouth now. Bring it. Mommy. Mommy. Omi Monica, ni no bawe nwe ni call iwe. No phone no see ayowa. Ni call iwe mama. Mama, nobody call it now. He are live video. Ni call iwe. Mama, Enogie no stop no deal with 20 me do mo mama la owo mama la Enogie no deal with 20 me do mo Mommy Monica no by me tiri mana Mama, get Monica. Oh, get Mommy Monica number. And this light take the live video. Man, no they call. They try to call Mommy Monica. They call enter inside. I bet Mona drop your WhatsApp number, man, because I see one of Enogie phone. I see the phone. May I use this one take call her. Okay, I don't see her, Monica.
Okay, now this one.
Hello, Mama.
Hello.
Ma.
Make one a life for God forbid vaccine. But now we prank it while we just
Mama. Mama. Mama, where to Mama, where to him? When he may go and say, where to him, Mama? Where to him?
He was the prank. Me have to deba. Just yeah, he just sat down at you. He just sat down. Me have sat down when you are right now. Hey, priceless. He follow me where you men now. He went nowhere. Never go sorry. He went nowhere. Where you go Mama. Mama Nora newly born twins. Or show a love, me wanna show love for me. Love. When I show love, who the poor and face? Come over here! Who the poor and face? You the grace! Stop that! No more business! Two love alike. Why you the poor and face? One year backbone.
Mama, thank God, between you and God, thank God still ready and no prank, Mama, but Toga Yabakun, as I see that, Toga, every no so no, Toga Yabakun, Mama, Toga Yabakun, yes,
Monica want to die prank my Charlie call me why Enogie my down when you get time you may back pretend understand oh when you get time me Enogie my down then when I'm Enogie social media very social I want give it.
Mama, even now, me didn't answer to we come our banner to your be various so. We may go a banner to the so, we may go a banner to the so. And no game, even a pin. A penny, even a pin. At a bomber would die, at a bonno yammer would die. Then he going so a ball, who voya Mario. Who gonna mommy one error, winning me one error. Who go at once ever who? When I go ya gua, I feel bebe. Iga gua, I feel bebe. Ina gua, I feel bebe.
Yes, me too. I want to go Saga Enogie from my own side. I'll go Saga Enogie. EJ, oh yeah, we continue. Make that when we done that video for work. When you have to okay. Make on a let them of you.
Mama, it takes on that setting. Mama, we party well on where te matter. On that setting, we party well on where te matter. You want the voice recording here? You have 30. You want the voice no, you have 30. Also, you're not 12 or not your bar. Why got your warrior? Without your helping me, or your helping me, waving when I too much be who? Also, not to him, not seeing a bar, or seeing a moon warrior. If Frank are testifying. Oh, Mama, I'm way by Lila. Money disrespect when if you call now. I'm where you like, Mama Lao. Ime video na ya provoke you no make na dogun iko ime video na ime ya provoke no dogun ime wa video na ya provoke you no dogun me oni e dogun If you not like more of you, they did disappointed. They do who never can who man they disappointed. Wa do gun me gba ogo mo be ni ya gba ogiyan. Wa ri be ni yan si gba sen be ni ya ri be ni yan. Yan ga vie wa su lo ko yan un. Ege e mo gbiju wa. Yan ga iwu ne wa su lo ko yan un. Yi do hu ni egun an. Ege a kin agi me. Why you got get what you get? Why you got they disappointed you are? Annie, you know I love you so much. This is not prank. Oh, I'm bigger than that. I don't do that. This is not prank. This is not prank at all. Enough is enough. Person man wait to the fall Odunga for no reason. But that you say 10 days. No, don't enter this house. One of the watch any video we go do if you whether go they do one for us. Now till 10 days. Today make 3 days, Abi. Today make on Sunday. Yes. Today make 2 days. One of the watch if you go they do video for us now. But say me no enter us now till 10 days. When I wait till they defend, still. Me no enter at not 10 days. Never I will get document. You don't prove your character come out. You don't get to call. You just say make I bring my head, make you pound down. You say make I do for you, may I not do. Collect money that day. Me and woman, me and man, just I don't know. Yeah, busy be quarter, na busy be say, Enogie collect 1,000 euro for person yan. He collect 500,000 for person yan. Me and man there, as I don't know. Collect 500 for person yan, I don't know. Collect 1,000 euro for person yan, I don't know. You not give me, not pay me. You not tell me. You not give me, not pay me. You not tell me say, only see money when you enter my hand though. See money when I collect for those person yan though. You can't do one like say, if I not tell her, you go tell no. If I not tell her, how you go tell no? When you are in busy be quarrel, now is busy say come swear with your head. If you not collect 500,000, 1,000 euro for person, I used to want a whole head say me and my yes, I don't know if that kind of thing happen. Money go enter your house, you take at the rich yourself. You know say my wife, the cost what they cost you too much. Oh, take this 200 euro, you not there. I'm when Monica talk and say no, they're supposed to pay you 500 every month. Even if they do something or not, they're supposed to give you 500 every month. Now only when they not pay us, for December. Now you see manage do space for her because government not pay us. Now you see do space for her because you like food. If you not do space, no money. I must cook. Now you see raw call us. Say you want to do space for us. Monica say, you know right, no get it. I go know every month. I say no. May I go out to Oge. No get no, they give me 1 naira every month. Only one they do shop alone. The way they receive the money, you know they give me. You not pay me. That you know what they tell me. You know what they discuss with me. I met you with nothing. I met you with one boss house. I met you with no telly. No telly, no boss house. Now I tell meet you. Telly not there, boss house not there. Now so I tell meet you. We deal like that. Oh, I not count money for you, but my head and this and my children head. Can't bless you, can't favor you. You don't they get the thing now, they enjoy the thing now. You they eat high low. You say who are me? Something go happen. You want to do something, you go to discuss with your man. You not go tell me. Your man will call me, they thank me, say thank you, your hair, your favor, my picking. Me, they ask you, what your man they thank me for? What your man they thank me for? You go say, man, don't worry, with time, go tell me. Later, before you can't tell me. Busy say you collect money. I don't know, now this ask me and you there. I don't know, say you collect money. Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry. This call you they call your friend say May we dey go out. You say no. Then your friend me can't greet you, me can't pack it in, and your friend wants spoil your house. If not be that your friend now, so you for lie. Wetin go happen go different. Your judgment go different. You go turn the matter upside down. I don't see who lie reach you. I don't see who lie reach you. You go turn the matter upside down. All my friends go hate me. If not be this boy, now we can't open mouth say, not be so it happen. And so you foresee turn the matter upside down. And so you foresee turn the matter upside down. Go dey spoil my head for your man. Your man go still here, not go call. I tell you, say, if you collect 500 euro, if you collect 1,000 euro, that kind of thing, it happen for this house. You say yes, say you not fit deny against the truth. You go call your man, you go call your man, say, me say you do the same money they call us. Now make with the quarrel. Mama begin the verse for me. Assume say me ever tell you that thing as a man. Say you do the same money go us. Now waiting man go tell your mama be that. Now waiting man go tell your mother be that. Say my woman say I do the same money go us with the verse. Your man can't begin the verse for me. I call tell your man say, hey yeah, I not be like that. Hey very young. You matter more worry go your work way. You matter more worry go your work way. Matter very young. Since you say girls they like you, they right you. So may you wait if they feel beer with I beer, I can. If they see take the if they feel take the insult, when man and woman they cause my enemy, if you and the girl quarrel, they go bear her. On one condition, say any girl when you want know, any girl when you want friend, say you hide down, say you not bring and come out, me come face what I face. Me say you not bring that woman come out, say you can't hide down. Hey. Not go better for you. Not go better for you if you hide that woman. You must bring and come out. Make it test soup. Soup while they cook. Stew while they cook. Make she test her if it is sweet or not. You dey paradise, you know happy. No they disturb you. Nothing. You know they help me. I go they complain. Person see come now. Before I wake up, go help me do one or two things. You say the boy too they do me, you can't come out. You want spoil your ass. You know, you know, say this boy, you not get where they go now, pay for come. You want to call Shoki yet for year, for me relax, me balance yourself before you go carry house. We all dey quarrel. Now royal thing. Now wrong thing go judge. My godmother go ever call. Now wrong thing go judge for her. If not be this boy now, we will who go for save me for this truth. We are go for talk. Me my friend, me man and woman for believe me. I go for talk. Me man and woman for believe me. If they judge on my friend, now all those not the verse of me. Now this friend come and say, now let no get the talk. Oh, now let no get the talk. See the boy bag. See the boy bag. See the boy bag. Tell me the boy can't get out for years. The boy spoil years. I say before I wake up, the boy go no say work too much. You go help me do one or two things. You say the boy too they do something. The boy they do say you too know. The boy they do say you too care. And the boy can't get out for your house. Now let that one they pity for not be any other body. Mama, don't go afford down, okay? Mommy, don't go afford down. Let me go and drop her down. Let's quickly go to net, okay? Quickly go to net, okay? You ask that guy, man, we ask that guy, man, who for the quarrel. Come to here, come they say, don't let me talk, oh, don't let me just talk to you at all. Don't let me just talk. This one, I use and push you. I use and push you. Don't push me at all. Man, you not push me. Now when they say na prank, for today, I watch where I don't get for they do live video. If you go see this house environment again, if you go hear the Nora voice again, 10 days, you are not stepping your leg on this house. I want to have rest. I want to have peace. I want to have rest. I want to have peace. The time when you get problem, now you be Enogie, not be now. When you don't see some more money. If man don't see some more money, now they know. Now they know good man. You have nothing. You were doing the best man. You receive money, I not go no. Now outside that for come here say my husband receive so money like this. Your friend they will tell you say, you not get what you they do, it's not good though. You say you know your right. You not get what you they do, it's not good though. You say you know your right. After your friends, you know they join Mama Nora, you don't know her once. I wish he come for our side. Mama Nora they report to her, you not go believe. Yeah, you already this one. You not get what you they do, it's not good. Change. You need counseling. We want counsel. You need you need counseling. You need big counseling. You need that where you say no, say your friend they support. And now because you know they support me, you know me before. So my man you see fuck up. I go let her know her fuck up. Say it too they do. You fuck up but for this one you have the big blame. You say me don't carry back me because they come out. Now bad person. You want spoil your ass. Now bad person me because they come out. They even want to give him 4 hours work. Me, they do and go join and go school. You don't want to do the work. You see, want to finish school first. Come and start to the pay for the mail because they go school. They want to give him 4 hours job for hotel. You don't want to go. You don't want to go. Now they see if you go do live video for us 10 days. If that 10 days still complete, I'll still make agreement. Say I don't want to move there together. Make everybody separate. Everybody separate and I go drag you go court. I'll go remove the children name for your name. Now wait till I'll do you rich be that. I'll go remove your shit your name. Who be that? Who be that? Who? Who be that? Kia? Hello. Givesberg. Yeah. You want to call me? Yes. Okay, you can call me. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Are you the one that was here 3 days ago?
The night you had the fight with your husband? No,
yes.
It was my colleague.
Your colleague?
Yes,
okay.
Mrs. Pyrick.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, okay. And
okay.
That's why we are here and would like to talk to you
about
what happened.
Okay.
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 Shall we come in or?
Yeah, come in, yes. Let me put my baby to sleep. Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, we go in.
Okay. Mama, come here, okay? Anyway, go remove your name for their name. For their dog, we'll go court. I'll remove your name. Hello.
So you understand English?
Of course, I understand
Okay.
English very well.
So
Can you sit down? Because my children was playing on in the parlor, yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's do that.